Hello and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new here. Today we're just gonna do a little haul here. I got a little Sephora haul here. Well, it's kind of a big haul, but it's a big haul in a little package. I got about 10 items here, I think, in this package. So, if you are interested in seeing what I got, and we're going to do some swatches too, so I might as well get out a couple of makeup wigs to do some swatching with. Then, come along with me and we will open this box together. There will be some crinkle crackle sounds as I open up boxes and plastic and all that good stuff. So if you don't like those noises, this video might not be for you because I don't take out all those noises. But let's go ahead and unbox all of this stuff right here, right now. And on Saturdays, I try out new makeup. Let's get rid of that box over there. I'm not saying I'm going to be trying out all of this makeup, but I will get around to it eventually on one of my Saturday trying new makeup videos. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I have got is this One Size Powder Melt Glass Setting Spray here. This is supposed to be more for, it's not supposed to be a matte setting spray. Let's see what it says. It says refresh, hydrate, and brighten all day makeup wear, non-comedogenic, dermatologist tested. Let me get out my glasses so I can read stuff today, because we're going to be reading stuff. 100% of the subjects experienced clinical improvement. Oh, so I guess it has skin improving ingredients in it. Skin moisturization immediately. Okay, we love that. 100% of the test subjects. I wonder how many test subjects they had. And texture, radiance, and moisture after 4 weeks of use. Okay. Mr. Patrick Starr. Okay. Shake well before each use and keep eyes closed during application. Spray in a circular motion over makeup, holding product 10 to 12 inches away from the face. Okay. So it's supposed to give a... Of course I'm going to test it right now. Let me put on my headband. I've been wearing a full day's worth of makeup. I imagine you're supposed to keep your mouth shut too. So that was a very fine mist. Very fine mist. We're going to see. I'm going to put this in my box here. Oh, that seemed to get everywhere. We're going to see how well it wears. We're going to see how well it wears. So that is one thing that I've got. The next thing I got was, I never got any of those jelly tints from Milk Makeup, but I did actually pick one up. This is in, I'm such a child. I got the pH adjusting one because I wanted to try one. I did get an off-brand one. Okay, I'm gonna open up. This is in the shade Freeze with a pH. This is, where did I put my glasses? The government name of this is the Cooling Water Jelly Tint. pH adapting, color changing, jelly lip and cheek stain made with cooling seawater and aloe for a long-lasting wash of color. Yes. And this is what it looks like here. And we're going to stain my hand for this. This is what it looks like here. Ooh, it's nice and cooling. We're gonna see what it looks like on my hand. And see what color it turns on my hand. Any day now. Should we try it on the cheeks? It's not turning any color on my hand. Should we try it on my cheeks? We're having makeup playtime here. Okay, it's turning a pink color on my cheeks. A light pink. Okay, I can definitely see it in the monitor here. Monitor. My camera. My phone. I'm acting so high tech. This is nice. This is a nice color. I like this color. But we will definitely be trying this out more so. But this is nice. I like this. Tell me what you think. Have you tried this out? It definitely doesn't swatch. It definitely doesn't swatch, but it shows up on the cheeks. A very nice light pink color. Okay, I'm liking that. Okay, let me save that for later. Let's try another blush. We've got the Giorgio Armani. Oh, Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Glow Blush in shade 11. I bought the Giorgio Armani. This I'm going to be trying out this next Saturday. This one I will be. And that is what it looks like right there. And can I open this? Yes. And that's what it looks like. I got the foundation, the Glow, Luminous Glow foundation. Oh, this smells nice. And that does have a glow. It does have a glow to it. Oh, this looks like it'll be nice. That's it right there. Probably won't even need any highlighter with that. Okay, this is starting to show up. This is starting to show up on the hand. Got a nice glowy blush here that we're going to be trying out this next Saturday. What else do we have? Oh, also from Armani, I got one of the eye tints in shade Mahogany, shade 56S. So we're going to be trying this out. And oh yes, we're gonna blend that out real nice on the eye, and that's all we're gonna do on the eye. Just put that on the eye and blend it out. We're gonna be doing an Armani day on Saturday. So that is what we got, is that eye tint from Armani right there. Wow, this is really showing up now. This milk. It's really showing up and showing out. It's kind of got a latent effect. It doesn't show up all at once. Okay. Okay, let's see. There's all these lip products. I think, no, I've got one more blush. One more blush to show. I am on a blush rush. I got this. Where are my glasses again? I got this from House Labs. This is in one of their new colors. This is the Color Fused Glassy Blush Balm Blush Cream. And this one is in Glassy Cayenne. This is not a new product, but this is in a new color. So I imagine it's going to be glossy. We got this shade here. So that's gonna be cool. That's gonna be cool. A nice glossy balm. A nice glossy balm that we got. And put that in my makeup box. And the rest of these things are lip products. I got one of the new Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat Contour Duos. Sculpt and Fill. Okay, that's just the French of it all. Cheat your way to a dream lip architecture. Sculpt side defined contour plus sculpt by tracing along the outer edge of your natural lip line, plus blend out over line to emphasize fill side. Fill in your lips. Okay. I don't read directions that much. I just know that it's a double-sided lip liner, and I saw a contour on there, and I was interested. We've got the shades. What are the shades? Medium. I just got the shade medium. And it's a pencil stick. So those are the colors there. One, I'm guessing you can line your lips, and one you can fill in your lips with. This looks more like a lip contour. I don't know much about lip lining. I can't really say. I used the Rhode lip liner until it was used up. I really like the Rhode lip contour. And so I bought, somebody was telling me that this product is similar to it. It is the Merit Signature Lip Sheer Lip Liner, and I got mine in the shade Tobacco. And this is what it looks like here. You can twist. This is a twist up. Oh yeah, this looks like something. This looks like it has more of the texture of the Rhode lip contours. I'm gonna use this weekend. It's a little more sheer, a little more emollient. So I'm gonna use that. And then I got the Fenty Gloss Bomb Oil, the Lip Oil Gloss Bomb, in the shade Fussy. I'm gonna try this out right now. This right here, I bought one of the first higher end products I ever bought was from Fenty, and it was their Gloss Bomb in the shade Fussy. And this is very nice. Exactly what a lip oil should be. Very smooth, very hydrating, non-sticky. Very nice. Very nice. I can see myself putting this in my handbag and taking it everywhere. Just everywhere. Oh my gosh, that blush just totally overtook this look. Okay, and I wanted to try this new brand that's at Sephora called Violette France. Violette FR. And I wanted to try her lip product. So I got a matte lip and a lip shine. This is the lip shine, sheer lip shine in the shade Bon Bon Caramel. My trash is getting full. Okay, so that is what it looks like. I'm gonna try this out this weekend. And that is what it looks like. Very, very caramel. Very, very caramelly. I'm gonna actually save the lip swatching until the new video. And then I got this is the Bisou Balm. That's what it's called, the Bisou Balm. And then I got the, what is this called? The Sheer Matte Lipstick. And this is in the shade Mon Cherie. And that is what the tube looks like. That is what it looks like. Okay. It's kind of like a brick red color. It'll be interesting to try it out. So, are any of these things anything you're interested in seeing? Let me know down below in the comment section. Let's see. We'll have to try out this setting spray. I already have lots of setting spray on right now. We'll have to try this setting spray out on the Trying New Makeup. And I guess it takes 4 weeks to really see a difference in your skin. But I guess we will have to try that out and do a proper review on it. So let me know down below all your thoughts and opinions on these products. We will be trying them out in the coming weeks and doing reviews on them and everything. And let me know if you have any of them, if you've tried any of them, if you're interested in trying them, if you're interested in seeing reviews on them. Let me know everything down below, and please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Please share it with your friends if you think they would enjoy this video as well. Please subscribe if you haven't already. If you would like to see the reviews on it, please subscribe, turn on your notifications, all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, and take care, sending out all of those good vibes, and I'll see you soon. Goodbye.